cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find the surface area and in which situation we find volume? Let's see the solution for these problems. In the first part, the question reads, to find how much it can hold. It means its capacity. That means we are talking here its capacity. That is, we find volume in this situation. The second part is number of cement bags required to plaster it. Plastering is done on the surface area. So we find surface area in this situation. The third part is to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. It means the capacity to hold the water in it. So we need volume to find this. This is the end of the solution.